This will be a demonstration video for the Remail application to show how to install it and how it's working and how it will help you using email even if you don't have an internet connection. So you need to go to getremail.com. This one, getremail.com. And we'll sign up as a new user. We'll use the SMS feature, sign in. Okay, so this is the email address that we need to install on, and it's confirming that's correct. So here I'm putting in my information. This is my phone number. I live in the United States, and I agree, and I'm not a robot. Okay, so I already have two other accounts registered, so I'm not going to ask me for more information. So I'm just going to go to the installation. Okay, so it's showing that it's going to read, compose, and going to delete all emails from Gmail. That's because we're going to, as will be demonstrated in a few moments from now, I'll show that command emails are going to be deleted, and through those commands Gmail will compose, send, and forward or reply to emails. Then it's going to have like a log that it keeps in Google Drive, so it knows which email it already processed and which not, and if there are errors, it's going to be logged over there. Then, since we want to be able to send to contacts, so it needs to have access to the contacts, and since if somebody uninstalls Remail, it needs to delete the Remail log, and also it does backups, so it needs to be able to create and delete spreadsheets in Google Drive. It checks the user's if the user is registered with our system, so it needs to have connect to external service. It sends email as you, that's clear. Allow this application to run not present. This is running on a trigger that's running every minute and making sure that and checking for new emails. So we're going to allow it. Okay, and here we go in the installation. So when we install this application, what happens is it starts some triggers, and these triggers are checking every minute if if there's a new email, which if there is a new email, it's going to send it to my phone, a text message, and I'll be able to reply, and if it's going to see the reply message, it's going to be recognized as a command, and it's going to process it. So let's hold on while this is running. Okay, so continue with setup. This gives us more options of using Google Voice instead of using the regular phone, but for demonstration purposes this is not important. So we're going to try now. Okay, so I got the security alert, and while I got this alert here, I already also got it on my phone. So to see where I got it on my phone and how this worked, you can see it in the trash, actually. Let me just make sure this is working, hold on. Okay, so this email, since it was received before the triggers were installed, we did not process it, so Remail did not process it. So in order to demonstrate how Remail is going to process new emails, I'm going to send here a new email. I'm going to go to this email address and reply. email to be received here. Okay, so we're going to wait, now that we have the email here, we're going to wait for up to a minute for the email trigger to see it and process it, and then we'll be able to see in the sent or in trash. At one point to go to trash, that the email was sent to my phone number, which I provided while I set it up. So we're going to send. It's not here, so it's already in trash. Not trash either. Yeah, here it is. So what Gmail did is it read the email and it sent to my phone, which is this phone number at vtext.com, and it sent that it has no subject, and actually it's not saying on the message no subject, that's only from the message, from the email itself, but it's saying that this email only has one part. Since it's a text message, it might have multiple parts, and it's 1 out of 1, and it's retest, which is the subject, and this is the email address that it was sent from, and this is the actual email. So now if I want to reply to this email and saying yeah it is, so I'm going to go now on my phone, which we cannot see now in the video, and I'm going to reply, and we'll see how the command comes in. Okay, so I just sent the message from my phone and it should be received in the email within a moment. Okay, so here it is. So I wrote an email, one reply. One is because, as we saw before, the email ID here is 1. So this is already in trash because we're deleting it because we don't want to have it in the sent. So we're saying 1, which is email ID 1, reply. Yes, it is. And this is going to reply to this message, and it will go to the other email address that we sent it from. So we're just waiting a moment for our email to process it. Okay, now it has been processed already, and we can see this part here. Hi, it's cool. Was sent from this email address, and we replied in the same scope, in the same thread. Yes, it is. And you go here as well and see that the message was received. Here it is. So same applies to compose. We can send an email, which I'll demonstrate now as well. We'll send compose. I'm writing on my phone. Actually, the command is send. So send David at getgmail.com. Hi. Let's wait for the message to be received here. When the message was received, let's wait for it to be processed. And once it's processed, it's going to be deleted, sent to trash. Okay, so now it has been processed, and we're going to send, and we're seeing that it's sent to this email address that I asked him to send it to. It sent hi. You can see it in the trash. Okay, it was sent David at getgmail.com. Hi. So it worked. So I want to demonstrate all the commands. There are forward and blacklist. So it adds the message to a blacklist, so it's not used anymore. It's not if we receive a message from a certain email address, Gmail will not press it anymore because it was requested to be blacklisted. And some more features like this. So we can go in Google Drive and see the email sheet. Actually, drive.google.com. Okay, so here we have the email sheet, which was created by the app. So open twice. So this one has the logs from installation, and then logs from every time it ran. Then it has loggers. Okay, this one is not used. Blacklist, so if we blacklist emails, it's stored here, like this is the database for it. And this is logs for which email IDs were processed yet. Contact shortcuts, we can have so we can have a shortcut for each contact. Like if I don't want to write out david@getreal.com, we can change it to a short name. Just David will refer to this, so we can send David. Then in settings, this has the user's personal information stored here, so it knows what my SMS message is and the current message number, etc. So this is basically it. You have more options of listening to emails on the phone and so far, but it's cannot be demonstrated. So now, if you wish to uninstall our email, you don't want the triggers to run anymore, so we can go to the subscription page on getreal.com, which has the option of uninstalling. Going to uninstall, it's asking sure, and this point is going here. Application successfully uninstalled. So this basically unsubscribed me from the email application. So I hope this demonstration satisfies you, and thanks for listening.